Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today I am doing this really easy, simple spring butterfly design using Temu decals and a Temu beautiful blue cat eye polish. It's so easy to do, and I just had to do a quick tutorial for you all. I hope you like it. Please let me know if you would wear it, if you like it. It's actually autumn here in Australia, but spring seems to be the trending designs at the moment, so let me know what you think. I'm just going to start off by painting them all nude, and I'm going to give the nails that require the smile line 2 coats of nude, and the ones that just have the decals on is going to be 3 coats of nude. Now the polish I'm going to be using is a Born Pretty brand, and I'm going to link the product below just in case you are interested in buying it. As I've said before, I don't get any royalties or anything from Temu for this. It's just simply for convenience. If you see something you like and you'd like to buy it, I will list the product. So I'm just going to do freehand the smile line. Obviously use a brush or guides or whatever it is that you prefer to use when you do smile lines. I just wanted to make this a nice, easy, quick design. So this is how I do the smile lines. And now I'm going to use the magnet to get some nice cat eye going, and I'm going to do a second coat, and I'm going to do this design on 3 of the nails. These are the holographic butterflies that I'm going to be using for this design that I also got from Temu, and I will link them below. I'm also going to pinch a little bunch of flowers off these Easter Bunny decals that I have, just to put on one of the nails. For the middle finger, I am going to use this full-length butterfly decal. I really love these decals that I got from Temu. You get 2 different designs in a pack. One's a pastel sort of design, and the other one is this beautiful vibrant colored decal. What do you think of it, guys? Would you wear these? I did say that I was going to keep it really simple. I just wanted I didn't want to put any bling or anything like that. I just wanted to keep it simple. What do you think of it? For the second and 4th finger, I am doing the smile design again with the cat eye. So I'll do 2 coats of that, and I'll come back to show you the decals.
I knew you were the one when I looked in your eyes, and so I told you how I felt about you when the time was right. And you told me the same thing, said you never felt this way. Then we became a tidal wall, and we still talk forever. Hate to be alone, cause you know what we came for. Oh, we came for love, calling out each other's names. We came for love, with no time for playing games. We came for love.
This is the finished design, guys. I would love to know what you think. Put a butterfly in the comments if you liked it and if you would wear it, and if you have any ideas that would have made it look better, please let me know. I would love to hear it. I absolutely love this design. Like I said, I'm not really into blue, but I would absolutely wear this color, and I'm just in love with this really simple, easy design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.